Okay, my rinse cycle is now complete. Now, you all saw that I took the screen out and I washed it. And I even made sure to totally fill the jet dry, which is probably what part of that bubbling is because some of it obviously spilled out. But yeah, disgusting. Disgusting. Dishes wet. Food still all over everything. It's warm, so it used hot water. Disgusting. And you guys saw that I had cleaned out the filter. I took the filter out and I cleaned it. Where the hell is all this food coming from when this was a freshly, previously washed, and now I'm rinsing? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. How gross is that? Where was that all caked? Like up underneath all these little cubbies? These little crevices from the handles? Is that where all that came from? I hate this dishwasher and I want you to take it back and refund me because it's awful. Completely awful.